Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to publish Framer website. So first you just have to simply log into your account and then design your page right here. On the upper left corner you can see here options on how to add elements on your page. So basically you just have to simply explore here and then add like social media or any forms that you want to add to your page. Now after that you can edit, you can remove, you can add image, you can add object or element to your page. Once you're done, then what you're going to do here is you have to click this publish button at the top right corner. So once you tap this publish button right here, and then you will see this notification that this project has been published. But if you want to connect your domain, all you have to do is to click domain right here. Now, once completed, your Framer site should be accessible via the custom domain you added. So it's up to you if you want to use your domain, if you want to custom your domain, or you want to use the free Framer domain here on your Framer. So if you want to connect, you need to upgrade your plan. But basically, this is how easy it is to publish Framer website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.